Today's target is the very future of air superiority, the F-47 NGAD. This beast is the U.S. Air Force's next-generation air dominance fighter, and while many official details are still under lock and key, I've pieced together what we know so far. Let's gear up and dive in. First things first, the Next Generation Air Dominance, or NGAD program, is the Pentagon's answer to maintaining air superiority in the face of emerging threats from China and Russia. We're talking about a sixth-generation warplane that's designed to replace the F-22 Raptor, optimized for the contested airspace of tomorrow. The NGAD isn't just a single aircraft. It's actually a family of systems. Think of the F-47 as the quarterback of a high-tech offensive lineup, controlling autonomous drones, linking with satellites, and wielding next-generation weapons. This thing is built for one purpose: complete battlefield dominance. Now on to the juicy details. While the Pentagon has kept a tight lid on the specifications, there are some details that have emerged, and they paint a very terrifying picture. The F-47 is rumored to have adaptive stealth, meaning that it can shift its radar signature on demand. We're talking about next-level cloaking, possibly even optical camouflage. The F-47 is also believed to have a variable cycle engine that gives it both high efficiency for long-range missions and blistering speed for dogfights. We're looking at a fighter that can stay airborne longer and outpace anything else in the sky. The AI coordination built into the F-47 means that it isn't just a lone wolf, it's a wolf pack leader. It is expected to control AI-powered drones like the Loyal Wingman program we discussed last week, sending Valkyrie attack drones out for reconnaissance, dogfighting, or even kamikaze strikes on enemy targets. And now for the fun part. Let's talk about the potential weapons loadouts. Directed energy weapons? Check. Hypersonic air-to-air missiles? Check. Cyber warfare capabilities to hack enemy aircraft mid-flight? Probably. It's safe to assume that if it flies against the F-47, it might just fall out of the sky before it even knows it's in a fight. So when do we get to see this beast in action? Well, the Air Force has already flown a prototype in secret back in 2020, meaning that this aircraft is way past the concept phase. The word on the street is that we're looking at 2030 for full mission deployment, with the first operational units possibly arriving even earlier in limited numbers. To sum it all up, the F-47 NGAD isn't just a fighter jet. It's an airborne command center, a cyber warfare hub, and a stealth assassin all rolled into one. The age of dogfighting isn't over, it is just evolving. And when this thing takes to the skies, it's going to be a game changer for anything that dares challenge it. That's all the time that we have for this week's episode of Zan's Weapon Depot. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay dialed in. And until next time, stay sharp, stay frosty, and remember, the future belongs to those strong enough to shape it. Semper Fi.